There is a plastic tab right there that will actually assist you pulling out the ribbon right there. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to pull, and now the battery should be completely disconnected. All right, the old battery is out. All right, I've got the plug back in, and now I'm going to return all of the screws. Okay, the battery is in. So now let's grab the cover, place the cover back. And my 2 long screws went here, and everything else was the short stubby ones. So I'm gonna start with my long screws. All right, they're all back in. And now I will just go charge the battery. I don't know if it comes with a charge or not. Doesn't appear, so I'm gonna go charge the battery and then we'll see how this thing works.